How to fix ID verification on Uber Eats app. If you are facing ID verification issues on the Uber Eats app, then follow these steps. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Uber Eats app. To check for updates, open Play Store or App Store on your device and search for the Uber Eats app. If you see an update option available, then click on the update option to update your app. Now go back to your home page and open the Settings application. In Settings, go to your Wi-Fi. Here, make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network is lagging, then remove your network and re-add the same network or a different one. You can also try to switch between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi to see if that helps. Now go back to your previous page and select the option General. Inside General, go to iPhone Storage and search for the Uber Eats application. Tap on the Uber Eats application and open this interface. Select the option Offload app and again tap on Offload app. Now restart your device and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If you are still facing issues, then you will need to contact customer support of Uber Eats. You can do that by any web browser. Simply search for help support of Uber Eats and the link will appear. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.